huh? Tell me about it. So apparently, unless you've been living under a rock, there is this social media frenzy sweeping across all social media platforms on this whipped coffee phenomenon. And I thought, naturally, we have to try it. We have to. So we are big time coffee drinkers in this house. Now, my husband and I tend to lean towards the warm coffee beverages, and my daughters tend to lean towards the iced coffees or frappes. So we're gonna try both. All right, let's jump into this TikTok recipe of making Dalgona coffee. Simple to make, and you do this by mixing equal portions of instant coffee, sugar, and water all together. You mix, 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 and whip, whip, whip until you get nice peaks. And then it's just a matter of adding it to either cold milk or warm milk. That's it. The way I do it is 2 tablespoons instant coffee, 2 tablespoons sugar, 2 tablespoons hot water. And then you just mix, 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 and whip, whip, whip. I'm gonna show you how I make the cold version, and then I'm gonna bring my daughters down and we're gonna do the warm version all together and a taste test. So stay tuned. By the way, everybody is trying out this drink while we're all under quarantine, and they're posting their thoughts on it, their variations or take on it, and what they actually think of the taste. And with these 3 little simple ingredients, almost everybody has it in their house. So let's get to it.
heat some milk on the stove for my mom. I'm doing 8 tablespoons of instant coffee because we're doing 4 servings. For 4 servings. I'm going to put 8 tablespoons of hot water in. It's time to mix.
We're gonna start it out slow and then we'll kick it up to the fastest level.
How is so long?
Oh, you gotta plug it in, that'll help.
Yeah.
How long will it take? Getting thicker. Getting thick. That's what we're looking for right there. Nice little peaks. So Katie's gonna pour the hot milk in to, I don't know, maybe right about there. Look how creamy and silky the consistency is.
Yummy.
By the way, guys, everybody says that if you put a splash of half and half in your milk drink, it tastes super, super creamy. So we just added a splash in each drink. Seriously, guys, look how good this looks. Now what we're gonna do is take a straw and she's gonna simply go around and stir it to get all that creamy deliciousness incorporated into that drink, and then she'll take a sip and taste test it for us. Going in for a taste test. What do you think?
That's good. Wow. There we go.
Now Courtney's stirring hers up. Go in a circular fashion because that's how it makes it pretty in your glass. Hot? All right, guys, I think the consensus is it gets 2 thumbs up. Giggly. We're not going to get through this. This is like, what, take 2, take 3. So I'm just going to wrap it up. We love you guys. We hope you have a fabulous weekend and Easter, and we will see you on Monday. Mwah! 1, 2, 3. Done.